Hi everyone, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics, and I'm back again with one of my rituals. Today we're going to focus on love. Like, so many people are writing me saying, Yvette, when am I going to find the love of my life? When is I'm going to reach and meet my soulmate? And I say, wow, that is so deep. And I'm going to tell you this right now. Love, family is more important than anything that you guys can ever wish for. Okay, so right now we're going to talk about a couple of rituals to help change your energy, to help you manifest or attract that soulmate or love of your life. Now, before we get started, if you're new to My World of Metaphysics, this is a metaphysical law of attraction channel that focuses on all types of spiritual lessons, rituals, whether we're talking about love, money, abundance, in all different ways, better health, spiritual knowledge, everything is right here, all in one place. So please don't forget to like, subscribe, tap the bell for more videos that I have coming out. Most of all, just keep watching the videos, everyone. Okay, I'm back, everyone. Now, first, I want to tell you guys, because I cannot talk about rituals without telling you guys what is the real power for you to attract love in your life. And that power comes from within you. You have to know you. You have to know what is in you that is repelling love away from you. Maybe it's something that you harbor deep down from a long time ago. This is where you have to go into yourself to realize, who am I? What am I going through? What is it that I truly want in life? And then move forward. If you're having problems with love, please visit my love playlist and look at the videos there to help you remove blockages or barriers that might be in you that could be stopping you from manifesting that love of your life. Now, when it comes down to rituals, now you guys know I love my rituals. What would I tell you to do if you were trying to manifest love? Whoa. And again, we're going to keep this simple. One thing I would do is to open yourself up to receiving love. You can talk to God and the universe or your angels or your deceased loved ones and just say, I am ready to open up to love. I am ready to open up to love. God, I am releasing whatever it is inside of me that could be holding me back. And I am now ready and willing to open up to love. It is just that simple. What are you doing? You're stating, I'm putting away whatever it is, and I'm opening up my doors for you, God, the universe, to bring the right person to me. Again, use your own words. This is powerful because it's putting you in alignment that you say, I'm ready to receive. When it comes down to rituals, the main thing is, how do you present yourself? Now, this is where my rituals come in at, you guys. The colors for love is pink, red, and white, okay? Pink, red, and white, okay? Any light colors is like welcoming love to come to you. Now, black is a protective color, everyone. Very protective, okay? So if you're looking for love, I don't think I would wear black, okay? I would wear white, pink, red, whatever it is to say, hey, look, I'm open for a relationship. The next thing is crystals. Whoa, here's my crystals, and I got them on just to show you. Again, rose quartz is a crystal that you might want to wear, okay? I got rose quartz around my neck, and I have rose quartz bracelet on my arm. Now, again, if you want any of these things, it's in the description. Please visit the shop. Another color that you might want to carry with you or wear is green. The heart chakra's color, the heart chakra, is pink and green, okay? So you can wear either one of those colors. And again, green also represents abundance, everyone. So you can wear green for abundance and you can wear it for love, okay? So don't get confused about the colors. But a lighter green is more like for love and the pink is for love. So whatever crystals you're wearing or having, just know that you can set the intent for them to be for love, okay? I do have a bracelet here that I have on my shop, and it is a rose quartz power bracelet. And again, this is something that you can wear. Now, before I get started, what arm would I wear love on as a bracelet? I would wear them on both arms, okay? My left arm, my non-dominant arm, would be more of getting myself in alignment for love. When you're sending out love to the environment, I might wear it on my dominant arm. Okay? So it's almost like I'm receiving and I'm sending. The next thing I might do is that I might meditate or do scripting. Scripting stating what it is that I want in front of a candle. Again, here we go again with the pink and the red. Now, if you don't have these colors, you are welcome to use white. I might hold the candle in my hand or between my hands, say a prayer, setting the intent, what it is that I want, and actually burning it. But just simply burning a candle. Again, it could be a little tea lit candle, a white candle, whatever it is that you want, and just focusing on what it is that you want, visualizing what you want, writing out. Thank you, God, for blessing me with true love, with my soulmate. I am happy. You might want to do that. Place it under your pillow and read it for the next week and then burn it inside of a candle, or just burn it and blow the ashes out. Now, what other things can you do? Again, I have here a Lailoken's Awin's candle. It's called Venus. It's for love. You can actually write your name on it, your date of birth, and you can write out what it is that you desire going down the candle, okay? And then burn it. Another thing that you can do if you're using candle magic, you can anoint your candles with some kind of love oil. So here I have Archangel Raphael, which is in charge of love. I have here love oil by Lailoken's Awins, and I have here healing oil. Now, why do I have healing oil here? I have it here because, again, whatever's going on inside of you started from within, and you need to heal whatever it is that is stopping you from manifesting love. So you can absolutely put a little bit of love oil on your hand, take another spot and put healing oil on your hand, rub it together, and then rub it on the candle, okay, before you burn it. Again, when you write on a candle, you're not writing, you're actually carving into the candle, okay? So I want to make that clear. Another oil you might want to use is holy oil to bless the candle, magnet oil to attract whatever it is you're trying to attract. So you can use magnet oil for money, for success, for love, for health, whatever it is you're trying to attract, you can use magnet oil. Again, I have another healing oil here. There's so many things. And if you don't have the oils, you can use olive oil, or you don't have to use any oil, okay? So I'm just giving you some tips on things you can do to attract love, using rituals, using prayer work, using scripting, okay? These are powerful. Now, when it comes down to manifesting using other rituals, bay leaves are the best, okay? Why do I say that? You can take a bay leaf, you guys, and write on it your name, and then write on it what you desire. So here I have my name, and I put a couple of hearts, and then here I have what I want. True love, soulmate, and I put some hearts there. Okay, you guys? Now, what are you going to do with this? You can burn it, okay, using some tweezers into a candle, okay? You can place it under your pillow after you read it a couple of times at night, maybe 3, 4 times, 7 times, and then place it under your pillow. And then do that for a while, and after 7 or 28 days, then burn it. You can even write on it and carry it around with you in your wallet. Again, be creative, you guys. There is no wrong way of doing this. These are little simple things where you're just letting the universe know I am open and receptive and ready for love. And it is just that simple. Now, when it comes down to writing, when it comes down to manifesting love, well, I'm going to tell you right now, whatever it is that I do, it's always written down. I don't care if you're using a tiny little piece of paper, writing it on a bay leaf, whatever it is. But when you write something down, it's almost like as soon as I think of it, as soon as I desire it, it's already out in the spiritual realm, okay? But when I write it, I'm bringing it out into the physical realm on a piece of paper or a bay leaf or whatever it is. So you can write whatever it is that you desire. And for me, I would read it in the morning, afternoon, and at night as the 369 technique. Or I would just write whatever it is that I want in a relationship and just read it 3 times a day and do it for at least 28 days, knowing that the universe is blessing you. Now, listen, I'm giving you guys so many little things that you can do, from wearing crystals, burning candles, love candles. You can even have a figurine candle, which represents you. Write your name on it, write true love or soulmate, and burn it, okay? There's so many things you can do. And if you need any of these things, you guys, please look in the description. Go to my shop. Everything is there. Now, a lot of people say when you write on the bay leaves, Yvette, is there particular colors that you can use? Again, I'm going back to the same colors. You can use pink or red. But if you like to, you can always use black when it comes down to writing. What else can I tell you about rituals when it comes down to love? Writing out something is powerful. Visualizing what you want for at least a minute or 2 is powerful. Speaking out when you're ready, that you are ready for love, is powerful. Doing the rituals is an added bonus to help you with your alignment. But the real power comes from within. It comes from you setting the intent to attract love. Now, I will tell you this as a bonus, and I tell you guys this all the time. Action, action, action. Don't say I want love and I'm not going anywhere. I'm going to sit in the house. Don't say I want love and block yourself off to love. Oh no, Yvette, he's going to come back to me. He's been gone for 10 years, but he's coming back. No. Let it go. Move on. Allow God to bring the right person into your life. It is just that simple. Just speak from your heart, speak from your soul, and set the intent for love to come to you. Open yourself up. Stop wearing the black. Wear white, wear pink, wear red, whatever it is that makes you feel energetic and make you feel like you're welcoming love into your life. Okay? Get prepared at your home for love. Start cooking things, making cakes, making room in the closet if you're looking for that husband. Whatever it is, just start getting prepared, knowing that as you get in alignment to attract love, love will come to you. Now, I will add this last bonus. Love comes in many different ways, whether it's with a pet, whether it's just with family, whether it's with the love of your life, or whether it's with love for yourself. Don't underestimate the power of love and the extent of how far love can go. Many people are looking for external love, and the most powerful love of all is the love you have within. So again, everyone, if you want to know anything about my world of metaphysics, everything is in the description. If you want to go and buy any of these items that I just mentioned, please go to my shop. Everything is there. Look up the category that says love, and you'll find all of these things. Again, this is Yvette, and namaste.